Welcome back everyone. So this video is going to be really interesting because it has lot of the predefined methods. Okay, so the topic which we are going to see now, string, because string there are a lot of things we have to do with the string. Okay, it has a lot of functionality into it, and let's see how we are going to work with the string. Okay, so let's open our idle. So I'm going to create a new file to the end. So save it as a go to the old project Python demo and name it as a string module module.py. Save it. Okay. Okay. Let's start. How the string is going to work? Okay, as I said in the first video, if it is a string, it has to be there in between the quotes, either it's a single quotes or double quotes. Okay. So for example, here I'm saying hello Python. Save it and F5. Nothing will come in the console because I haven't printed it. Okay, so print and see now. Hello Python. Okay, so this is the first way. There are three ways you can create a string variables. Okay, either you can use double quotes or capital C, or you can use single quotes as well. And hello Python double quotes and single quotes. Run this. See, and what will happen, for example, if I have a very big paragraph of the variable. Okay, for example, I have a variable called data equaled. So I let's copy some random data from the internet. Okay, okay, let's copy this and print it here. Okay, so what is happening? Because when I copy some data which has a formatting and it has maybe programmers, it has some single quotes in it, and there are a lot of additional special characters in it also. So if you see the data from here to here, it looks good because it's contain green letter. Green means the string it's given in a proper way. But still, even this data also belongs to the data variable, but still it is not showing in a proper way. So what we can do is you can use instead of double quotes, you can use triple quotes. Okay, and let's print the data. Print data. See, it is printed now. Okay, so either it has to be triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Let's copy and try with a single quote now. Data 1. So instead of 3 double quotes, I'm going to use 3 single quotes. Tell yes, and I'm going to print the data 1. Okay, let's run this. See, looks good. So make sure there are 3 ways you have to do to create a string variable. And before that, I'll tell you. So if you want to comment some particular line, so you need to use the hash symbol. Okay, for example, this is not for compilation process. Let's try without comment. Okay, F5. See, it is saying invalid syntax when I try to run this. So put a comment as simple. So this is not a compilation process. This is not for a compilation process. Let's run this. You won't find any issues there. Okay. Okay. So what are the steps to creating a string? Okay. There are three ways. Three ways. Within single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Okay. So that is done. So what else we can have? We can see in the string. Okay. So let's see. I have a variable called a which holds the hello. Okay. And I have another variable called b which holds the Python. I want to print both of them. Print a comma b. See what happened? Hello Python. But there is other way also. You can use plus as well. Control C, click run. See, you can see the Python. So what is the difference? When you try with the comma separator, you can see hello space Python because both of them consider as a separate parameter. Okay, but when you put plus, it's concatenation, joining the strings. Okay, let's run this. So hello Python. So let's try. Let's get a space here and we'll see what happens. Nothing is happening. Okay, so if you want a space here, you need to provide some space over here. Okay, and let's try this. See, now it is printing hello Python. Okay, good to go. Okay, so what the plus is doing actually? Basically, the plus used to concat same kind of data. For example, I have a string in A, I have a string in B, so I can concatenate because both are the same data type. Okay, what will happen if, okay, let's try something different. I have a variable called C which holds 10, and I have another variable called D which holds a string number. Okay, I'm trying to print C plus D. Let's see what happens. Unsupported type, because the type of C is integer, the type of D is string. If you want, you can simply check this printf type of C and type of D. See, this is integer and this is string. If the data type is different, you cannot add it or concatenate. So you have to cast it to some different type. Okay, so how we can do that? So C is a number. So if you want to concatenate with a string D, convert your integer as a string. So it's simple str string of C. Let's see what happened now. Invalid syntax. The thing is, this is not the proper way to converting a integer into a string. So the way we had to do that, string within a function into provide the C, because I'm trying to convert C as a string value. So then it's a string value and D it's already a string value, so I can concatenate it. If I see now, you can concatenate the data. Okay, so this is a pretty simple example on how to create a string variable and how to uh, format the broken strings where we see the data and data one, and how to concatenate the values and how to comment it. So in the upcoming video, how we'll see how we are going to format the data and how I can pass some random information and how to I get the information from the user. So we'll see in the upcoming video. So just give it a try and let me know if you guys have any clarification. Thank you.